How are absolute value inequalities solved compared to equations? Imagine trying to find out where a number lies on a number line. Sometimes you're looking for an exact spot, and other times you're interested in a whole range of spots. That's the difference between solving equations and inequalities involving absolute value. Absolute value is all about distance from zero, no matter if the number is positive or negative. For example, the absolute value of a number is always 0 or more. If you see an absolute value equation like x plus 5 equals 10, it means the distance from x plus 5 to 0 is 10. To solve it, you split it into two separate equations, one where x plus 5 equals 10, and another where x plus 5 equals negative 10. Then you solve each one individually. Now, inequalities are a bit different. When you see something like x plus 3 less than or equal to 6, you're asking for all the numbers whose distance from 0 is less than or equal to 6. To solve this, you rewrite it as a compound inequality. Negative 6 less than x plus 3 less than or equal to 6. This means x plus 3 is between negative 6 and 6. You then solve this two-part inequality to find the range of x values. If the inequality is greater than or equal to or just greater than, like x minus 2 greater than 5, you split it into two separate inequalities, x minus 2 less than negative 5 or x minus 2 greater than 5. These two parts cover the numbers that are either far enough to the left or right on the number line. You solve each one separately, and the solution is all the numbers that satisfy either part. One key thing to remember is that the number on the right side of the inequality must be 0 or positive for the inequality to make sense. If it's negative, like x plus 1 less than negative 3, there's no solution because absolute value can't be less than a negative number. But if the inequality is x plus 1 greater than negative 3, then every real number works because absolute value is always greater than or equal to 0. So, when solving absolute value equations, you find exact solutions by splitting into two equations. For inequalities, you rewrite them as either a single inequality or two inequalities connected by and or. Equations give you specific points, while inequalities give you a range of possible values. Knowing these differences helps you approach each problem with confidence and clarity.